Hello and welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction today, where we've been looking at park model trailers and trying to give you a great video walkthrough of all the different trailers we have here on the lot. This is a 2020 Summit 355 FL, and I'm here to tell you, look around anywhere in the United States and you show me where you can get a double loft trailer for the MSRP of $49,900. I'll tell you where. There's one place right here at Kelly Hicks Construction Incorporated. These were specially designed and built by Summit at the Forest River factory to give you exceptional value in a trailer. These have a 6-foot vinyl patio door. This one's actually linen colored with tan window and door package. Unit number 5696. This is Park Model RV. There's the RVIA industry number. So going on inside here, you can see it's a nice big trailer with a nice big loft, ceiling fan, extended dormers, nice big kitchen, Mastercraft rocker recliner, Mastercraft sleeper sofa, end table and lamp, fireplace, nice big entertainment center, extended dormer, tall ceilings, table and 4 chairs, a lot of drawers, full extension ball bearing drawer guides. Got shelving in the closets. You've got a 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, stainless steel sink, single lever faucet, plank wood linoleum. I'm sorry, I spoke wrong. You've got plank wood PVC flooring on the entire main floor. That's right. The only carpeting in here is in the stairs and the loft. If I could put linoleum there, I would, but that's not an option. So you got to have a little bit of carpet in your trailer. You can see it's got a built-in auxiliary air conditioner. That'll help keep everybody cool up there in this giant-sized half loft. So let's go check out the rest of the trailer. You've seen the dining room, the living room, the fireplace, the well thought out kitchen with the 18.5 cubic foot refrigerator. You've got a hall pantry even. Look at the additional storage in this pantry. Well thought out. So in the bathroom, you got a nice big tub, shower, one-piece fiberglass tub surround, so the little kiddies can take a bath if they need to. When they get older, they can take a shower. You've got, of course, the house type toilet. Here's the vanity medicine cabinet combo. There's your medicine cabinet. There's your vanity sink, and the storage below. 5-burner range, 30-inch microwave, 18.5 cubic foot fridge. Got a sliding door. Got a queen bed, nightstand, and a lamp. Everything in them stays in them. Curtains, mini blinds, bedspread, furniture. There's the his and hers wardrobe. Really nice wardrobe. Wood mini blinds. There's lights in the closets. Again, full extension ball bearing drawer guides. You could put a throw rug in here if you didn't like the feel of the linoleum on your Tootsies. But anyhow, this is a 2020 Summit 355 FL Loft, and these were a special edition. I ordered 3 of them so I could share them with anybody who wanted them. MSRP is $49.9, and that's unheard of in this day and age. So anyhow, if you got any questions, need some more pictures, want to fill out a credit app, want to come and see me, Kelly Hicks Construction, 815-849-9089. And have a great day, and thanks a lot for watching my videos. Have a good day. Hope I can sell you a trailer one day.